Meaning of illegal.
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 Illegal. The term illegal refers to an action or behavior that is prohibited or not authorized by law. It can relate to various types of activities, such as criminal offenses like theft or fraud, or civil violations like breaching a contract. When someone engages in an illegal activity, they could face legal consequences, such as fines, imprisonment, or other penalties. Additionally, their actions may have negative impacts on others, such as causing harm to an individual or damaging the environment. Overall, engaging in illegal activities can lead to serious consequences and should be avoided to maintain a safe and stable society.